Soy hijo de la Angelina, fui nacido en Pollo Heights, luego nos venimos para las calles del 909.
What's up, guys? Good morning. We're cooking a little breakfast right here, algo sencillo, unas calabacitas, un jitomate, cebolla, jalapeño y unos egg whites. Algo light. So yesterday, me and Michelle and I went to go get our booster shot. She's feeling the side effects. She's got the body aches. I'm feeling them a little bit, but I'm still good. I'm still pushing through it. So we're supposed to go to my sister's house today for her birthday. It was actually on Thursday, but today she's having a birthday party. So we'll see how we feel by the afternoon. You know, if not, we're gonna have to sit this one out. So, all right, we'll check in with Michelle here in a little bit, see how she's feeling. All right, guys, vamos a comer. I made something to eat. Y aquí estamos con la estrella, que nomás se levantó when I told her that the food was ready. But before that, andaba, parecía la llorona. Ay, mi cuerpo. Tatán, how you feeling? Ya mejor, ¿verdad? Porque estás tragando, huh? Still got the body aches? Yeah. Well, I don't know what we're gonna do because it's been a long time since we just stayed home for the weekend. So hopefully we're gonna eat and then probably take a nap and then chill. And like I mentioned earlier, my sister has a birthday party today, so we're planning on going. But hopefully, you know, as long as side effects go away, we'll be good. You know, I mean, the body ache. You know, but it's not too bad, huh? Yeah, like the other ones that we got. So. Guys, thanks for the support. Go watch the other vlogs that we made. Go see the 4th of July one so you can see how we jump through the fire. They'll do it at home. Alright, we'll catch up with you guys. Hey guys, so we got out the house. So body aches did get better. Yours?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit, yeah. So we got out the house. We're going to my sister's house. It was her birthday on Thursday, so we're gonna go to this little birthday thing going on. You guys notice something different? Huh? Maybe not on Michelle, but maybe on me. You guys notice something different?
You look more like a grandpa now.
Well, anyways, my eyes were getting a little bad for the last year and a half to 2 years, some shit like that. My eyes were getting kind of bad where I would get my phone and be like, oh, shit. And, you know, just kind of a little weird. And so we went to go get checked up, last week? Yeah. They said, yep, I needed some, but it wasn't too bad, but I mean, a little bit. So, honestly, when I threw them on, like, I was like, holy shit, like, okay, I can see the difference, you know?
Hey, you were like Junior when he first got glasses, that you could see the trees up in the mountains. Remember, Junior?
I remember that. But I'm 41 now, we're 41, and 20 years ago when I was like 20, I went and got some, right? And they said it was only for reading. And my vision, I don't know if it's got any bad from then, but anyways, I've always
had them.
Yeah. So, anyways, got these on, got these bad boys on. I got X-ray vision.
You're dumb.
Alright guys, we're driving my mom's minivan, huh? Check it out. We got the whole clica right here. Say what's up, clica.
Why you guys hide for? Parecen del rancho ustedes.
So we took my parents to the airport Thursday night or something like that to LAX. So we have their van. They'll be out there for like about a week. So probably make some use of it, you know, since we have it, you know.
Vegas.
Go to Vegas. Everybody pitch in for gas.
Matthew's like, I'm broke.
Brian Jr.
Alright guys, we're on the 215 north. We're about to catch the 210 west because we're going to Fontana, Kentucky. Ya vamos, ánimo. Cholo Party in full effect. Cholo Party. Check this out, Cholo Party. Puros cholos, what's up? Sorry, we got the background. My sister's birthday. Highway. They call her Bunny. No, not because she was at the Playboy Mansion, but because of the fucking... Not because she had a lot of kids tampoco. Vamos a ver acá. We're all wannabe cholos, except for that guy over there. What's up, babe?
What up?
What up?
Gangster.
Gangster, Leo. We're all wannabes, but except for that guy over there. Alright, guys, we got some nicknames going on right here. Alright? Got some nicknames. We're at Cholo Party right here, dog. So, what is your nickname?
Droopy.
El Droopy. That's a Droopy, that's right. Let's see, what's up? Let's go with the other one. What is your nickname?
Smiley.
Huh?
Smiley.
Smiley. Your nickname?
Morena.
Morena, that's right. Your nickname?
China.
China, that's right. Your nickname?
Dopey.
Dopey. Oh, there you go. Dopey en el ojito. What's your nickname, dog?
Sad girl.
Sad girl. Hey, it's Dopey. Sad girl. That's right. Hey, what's your nickname?
Elver.
Elver? Fool, we just jumped you in and named you payaso, fool. You
Por
can't do
el
that.
vergadote que tengo aquí en este
El pendejo. Hey, fool, what's your nickname, fool?
El Rio.
El Rio. Órale. What's your nickname, fool?
Chino.
El Chino. That's what's up, dog. What's up, homie? El Flaco. That's right. Hell yeah, that's the whole clique right here, dog. Oh, wait. Hey, wait. ¿Cómo le ponemos a ese güey?
El Shorty. No.
Hey, wait, what's your nickname, fool? What's your gang nickname, fool?
El Cuatro Ojos.
El Nariz. El Cuatro Ojos. Sad boy. Happy. Oh, happy. Happy. Hey, happy. No, he's happy. Hey, what's up, happy? That's right, we got the whole clique right here. No, puro barrio shady trails, aquí Fontana, you know. Aquí andamos. Alright guys, so we got Sad Girl back together right here, reunion, Sad Girl. And then we got who? Sis. La Crybaby? Not the baby, but my sis right here. Oh, and it went to the next generation. Now the baby's a crybaby. Ahí está, mira. Ahorita nos vamos a sacar unas fotos acá como cholos. La crybaby. Okay, we're gonna take pictures right now. Oh, we got Miklo in the house.
Yeah, right there, dog.
Miklo. That's right. That's the Miklo.
You like chonchon?
Give me some chonchon, pinche güero.
Chonchon, pinche güero.
We got Miklo up in here. That's right. Ah, shit. Yeah. To my sister, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. It's nothing but a Cholo Party.
Yeah.
Yo.
Happy birthday, sad girl. I'll give you your sad boy today.
You're nasty.
I just pictured you like
Go. 2-0.
Olivia, that's your tia right there.
Parece que tiene comezón en la cola. Go. Oh.
Quick.
Ya, no voy a chocar. Happy birthday.
Not you, Mama. Come on.
¡Sóprale como no le soplas al pito de Gonzalo! guys.
Es muy pegado los carros.
Let's get you set manejar, that's why. And how to drive and vlog at the same time.
Shut up.
Alright guys, I woke up a little bit crudito, but it's all good. It's not like the first time, right? Or the last time.
Ya no, ya amanecí bien.
Yeah, she was drinking responsibly yesterday.
Of course I was.
Alright guys, we're gonna go pump some gas right now. We're gonna go get a little Starbucks. And we're gonna go get some soap to lavar. Because we gotta get ready for the week. Ella trae antojo de popcorn. ¿Cuál vas a agarrar? Parece que está embarazada porque trae antojo.
Cállate.
The butter.
You'll freaking pass out if I am.
¿Mande?
You'll pass out if I am.
No, I'll be like, alright, cool. Because no es mío el pinche chamaco. We're looking for hot sopa.
Oh, yeah, vas para allá.
It's over there on the other side.
Yeah, I remember now.
Hazme. Estas mamonas traes como son en la cola. Te pica la cola porque no te limpiaste bien, ¿verdad? ¿Nos ocupas ayuda? To get closer. Me miró la señora que viene allá.
Cochino.
Boom, sopa. Damn, fool. You gonna do the hot sopa challenge or what?
Yep.
Shit.
You want the extra hot
Wait, hay
one?
menudo.
You want the extra hot one?
Nah, I'm good. La máquina para rebanar el jamón, mira. Ya venden aquí el jamón todo entero porque lo rebanes en la casa como te da la gana, porque no estés chingando ya en la carnicería que, ¿qué más tiene? ¿Qué sabe tanto?
Shut up, parece.
Guys, we're at Michelle's parents' house and I drank like 4 tecates and I don't know if the glasses are enhancing my que ando pedo. Ya ando pedo, andaba crudo y ahora ando pedo. Y con los lentes me siento más pedo. What up guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Hailey, ¿qué estás haciendo? Rice. ¿Está cocinando?
Wait, why don't I put that in there?
We're gonna end it cocinando, huh? ¿Tú también?
Yeah.
Cocinando. So guys, hope everybody had a good weekend. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. And we will catch you on the next one, right? Peace. Say bye. Say bye.
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 Alright guys, this is the hot dog challenge. Let's go. Come on, glizzy gobblers. Oh, too low, go. Go. Go.
Oh shit.
Go. Alright guys, now it's Junior's turn. Let's go.
He's gonna turn around and bend over. Oh, was that it? Oh, shit.
Let me see your wiener. And you know what? At the end, you know what you win? What? A wiener in your mouth. The happy ending.
Happy ending.